So I got a 2010 Pontiac Vibe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your engine filter. Enjoy. So the airbox on my vehicle, it's located just above the battery. I like to disconnect the hose. It's just easier to manage, and I also like to check and clean out any extra debris. But basically, there's two clips on the back. If you haven't already noticed, my vehicle is incredibly dusty due to the environments I'm in, so it is a regular occurrence. I'm changing the air filter out. Yeah, just this is a little stubborn one. Yeah, once you remove the lid here, the filter basically just sits in place. So you can see the clear white outline of the filter there, but it just pops right out, and I'll show you kind of the comparison with an old one to a new one in a second. Got the old one out here and the obviously new one beside. So yeah, I'm just going to pop this in real quick, but changing your air filter can do a lot of wonderful preventative stuff for your engine, so good idea to do every once in a while. I hope this video was helpful. Again, it was for a 2010 Pontiac Vibe with a 1.8 liter engine. Enjoy.